Alright, Mustang people.
My name is Phil. That's my 65 coupe. Recently she's developed a ping or a knock or a tick. I'm not sure what to call it, but I want to see if I can solicit your opinion in diagnosing what might be causing this noise. So without further ado, let's fire this car up, take her out, and hopefully we can hear it. Keys lined up and start. Okay, that's an inauspicious start. Hear that tick? Tick. Increases with any kind of load on the engine. That tick increases. So let's see if we can take it just quick round the block and you get some more diagnosis on it. Tick, 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 tick. I don't know if you can or not. There's 2 minutes. Bear with me one more minute. I'll accelerate her on this main road and you can really hear it then. Yeah, we may be waiting a while here. This is one of the more busy roads in town, but at least it'll let me accelerate.